So where are you going to record it from?
Okay. So now that we did all the wrapping on this, so we talked about the main idea and the details of each passage or paragraph. Now we're going to answer the questions. So I gave you a little hint on each question as it tells you where to look. If you see that each one has numbers next to it, each paragraph. So you can find that paragraph number if you're not sure. So number 1, who won the Revolutionary War?
The Americans.
The Americans. And look, you didn't even have to look back.
Because it's a paraphrase I just ended.
Oh, because the paraphrasing helped you? Okay, number 2. Where did Cornwallis go? Yorktown?
To Yorktown.
I didn't even have to read the other ones. New York or England, yeah. So when you did the main idea and details, you were able to get that. Number 3. Which army had more men during the battle? Washington, Cornwallis,
Cornwallis?
or they had the same number of men?
I think they have the same number of men.
Well, let's look at
It's
paragraph.
hard to- it's B or C.
Well, let's look at paragraph 4. Here's paragraph 4.
Because I got Cornwallis is a fewer men because he just got to Yorktown instead.
Well,
They
it tells you it in the
missed it.
first sentence. Cornwallis had fewer men than Washington.
Oh, Washington.
Washington had what?
Bigger group.
Yeah, so Washington had more men. Okay, so that one would be Washington, yeah. Number 4. When did Congress agree to the Treaty of Paris? So if you don't remember the date, we can look back in paragraph.
And I think it was from 1987?
1987?
1787.
Let's look. Paragraph 9.
1782?
Well, that's paragraph 6. That was when it was...
Oh, come on.
That's
So
when
it's a
they
part two.
started. Yeah, that's when they started talking about it. But when did they...
1783 on April 15th?
Yeah. On April 15, 1783, Congress agreed to the Treaty of Paris.
Oh.
They ratified, or what word?
Approved.
Or approved it. Okay. Number 5. What were the borders of the new country?
United States instead of Florida because they went to Spain. I have no idea where.
Florida went to Spain, right. So, but what were the borders? Paragraph 7. Remember we wrapped on this one?
Atlantic Ocean and Mississippi.
Yep, it went from, and then here it is. The country went from the Atlantic Ocean to the Mississippi River. And then you're right, it said Florida went to Spain.
Why went to Spain anyway?
Well, eventually we got back, didn't we? Yes.
I still don't know. I am not even
Oh.
clear for Spain and Florida.
Number
They
6.
call it Spain, Florida, or Florida, Spain?
Now Florida is part of the United States.
Oh.
But way back when?
1780.
In the 1780s, yeah.
Yeah, not 1990s. I had no idea how I get that.
Which country got Florida after the war?
Spain!
Yes.
I talked about every time, and nobody knows who got Spain in Florida last time.
You're right.
When are we gonna get that book sometimes, like on Spain to come to back to United States?
Maybe you're going to learn more about it when you talk about it in your class. Okay, so you're going to have more of these. And I put where you can find the questions on all the other ones. Do you want me to draw the line and so that you can remember to rap to yourself? Because it seemed to help you. Yeah, but are you going to remember if I don't write it?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll divide them into sections. And then when you see rap,
R. Read a paragraph. A. Ask yourself, what is the main idea? Enter details. P. Paraphrase.
so that's what you're going to do. And I can even give you one of these sheets. Even if you don't write it down, even just to help you.
Alright.
Yes? Okay. Sounds good. Good job.
And we're clear.